Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we will play a fun challenge. Choose one button, boy or girl edition. Before we get into the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this. Thank you, and let's get started. Choose your phone case. Choose your notebook. Choose your lunchbox. Next up, choose your backpack. Choose your cake. Both cakes are so tempting. I want to taste them both. Choose your watches. Choose your house. Choose your slippers. Choose your toys. Choose your outfit. Choose your keyboard. Choose your favorite gift. Do you like to be given gifts? Next up, choose your headphones. Choose your laptop. Choose your favorite cartoon. Those are all classic Disney animated movies, right? Choose your guitar. Do you like this instrument? Choose your socks. Choose your gaming chair. Choose your motorbike. Choose your shoes. What shoe size do you usually wear? Choose your glasses. Choose your car. Next up, choose your skateboard. Choose your pencil case. Choose your helmet. Don't forget to bring it while participating in traffic. Choose your water bottle. Which cap do you like to wear? Choose your gaming mouse. Choose your sneakers. Choose your bathroom. Choose your wardrobe. Choose your umbrella. Choose your wallet. Choose your haircut. Choose your pen. Which choices surprised you the most? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this. And I'll see you in the next video.